Hey everyone, JJ Small Engine Repair. In the shop, we have a Honda GCV 160 Easy Start. But with this one, not so easy to start. Customer brought it in for a no start. It's been sitting for a while. Pop quiz for those that have been watching my videos. What do you think it is? Go ahead and comment. Let me know. No cheating. All right, so let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open this air filter cover. Air filter looks good. And then let's zoom in and let's look at the throat of the carburetor. Look at that. Let's see here. Let me see if I can get a good, yeah. What do you think that is? Tell me in the comments what that is and how that happened. All right, thanks for watching. JJ Small Engine Repair, Star, Idaho. Bye, everyone.